Okay, still at freeze. I'm going to actually blow the insulation out. Bad move. Okay, as you can see, I made a barrage of shit here. There were holes all over the place. Just to really get down to the nitty-gritty. You got 3 inches. So basically you got 2 inches of some kind of ISO. Well, maybe you got Homasote all the way down. Let me look. No. You see? Yeah, you do. You have Homasote at the bottom. You got 1 inch of Homasote and like 1 inch of ISO. Then you have another inch of Homasote. And then the rock. In the middle, if you see this, here, look, I can't really clean it up better than it is. But this right here, you see that right there? I'm trying to get it so you're not in the glare. But if you see these holes, here's the top roof, right? Top roof's the rock. Now, there's a section I cut down, this part. Okay, this part right here, okay, that right there is the second layer. Now, again, I do not know if, how thin a layer has to be in order for it to be a layer. This is probably the thinnest layer of goods I've ever seen in my life. It's very thin. It's not even, it's like millimeters. It's not, to me, it's like the top of the ISO. I don't know what this is. You see it? It's not really, I don't know what you call it. It's tar. It's a retardant of some sort, but maybe this is how the insulation came back in the day, and maybe this is a built-up 3-inch roof with hot tar on top. Homasote, ISO, tar, Homasote, hot tar, rock embedded. I should have did this when Bill was out here, but of course I'm retarded like Robbie, and that's how I follow suit. So, I mean, it is what it is. You could call me a fool tomorrow, but it doesn't help out today. So I'm going to zoom back again. So what we have again, we have Homasote on the bottom. This is the Homasote on the bottom. This is the one that absorbs moisture. Okay, this is 1 inch on the bottom. It cakes up. It's either 1 inch and then 1.5 inches, or a 1/2 inch, 1.5 inches, another 1/2 inch. The actual goods itself, the roofing, doesn't even make up a 1/2 inch. So this right there is like 3/4. This right there is like 1 inch and 3/4. That would give you 2.5, and a half would give you 3. So that's what I'm gonna go with. Okay, this is a really nice size hole. I'm gonna try to weigh out some of this goods. But as you can see, here's the decking right there. Okay, I'm gonna fill this thing up with mud right now. But again, I want you to just see it. You have the rock, the Homasote, the yellow, and then another Homasote underneath. Okay, just so you know. And this right there, this looks like smooth, but who knows? Who knows, really? And that's that. Alright, that's that in a hat. I'm gonna fill this bad boy up and I'll come back to the lab with some cuttings.